This week is my birthday week, so we decided to come and explore Perugia. It's about 2 hours by train away from Florence. And we were walking around yesterday, and I said, I have to do a walk for YouTube. This city is too cool. This is Piazza IV Novembre, so 4th of November. I believe it's named for the 4th of November because that's when World War I ended for Italy. And this is the famous Fontana Maggiore. And Perugia is known for chocolate. You'll see these chocolate stores everywhere. Of course, the most famous is Perugina, who makes baci. Baci are the little chocolates. They're like a kiss. Baci means kiss in Italian. I mean, just look at the architecture and how beautiful. You don't always see these in color. It's actually quite beautiful. So down here, you can see that right there is a medieval aqueduct from the 1300s. I took this walk yesterday and it was around sunset. I took some video. I'm gonna insert it here. It's too beautiful to not share. Now, Perugia was an Etruscan city, so they date it back somewhere around the 6th to the 4th century BC. And this is the old Etruscan Arch, dating back somewhere around the 3rd century BC. When I walk through Perugia, it's like a labyrinth of these narrow passages and archways. To give you a perspective of how hilly Perugia is, I want you to look at the stair. See how it's completely on an angle? This is a pretty steep hill. So this is a stairway leading up to one of the many gates of the city that we just walked through. This one is called Arco dei Gigli, or the Arc of the Lilies. I think it's also called Porta Sole, but it dates back to about the 1500s. All I can smell right now is chocolate and pastries. It's about 8:30, 9 a.m. and that's the whole city smells of chocolate and pastries. Oh, this little area is definitely artistic. Now we're coming back around to Piazza IV Novembre. There's so many little alleyways and archways. There's also an underground, which we're going to go to later. It's an entire underground city that you can walk through. Look at this cafe. Definitely gonna have to come back here. This is a gorgeous viewpoint. Now it's morning, so I can still see the fog all over the countryside. Other people stopping on the side of the road to take photos because this is just so stunning. How this fog just sits. I took some video from here yesterday, closer to sunset. So I'm going to insert that here so you can see what this looks like. It's truly magical.